Velcro. People do wonder what Velcro is and how you use it. Velcro is this kind of hair sticker. So if I, oh, do I want to ruin my hair? So if I add it like this, it actually gets stuck. So it's like those hair rollers you have, but this is kind of a flat little piece which you can add to your topper or wig to make it secure without having to clip the front area. I did start off using Velcro by sewing it in. So this one is actually attached to where the comb was, and I just cut it and attached it to the front area around the silk top. I did not actually pierce the silk top because it would be ruined. And I find it actually works really good to secure the topper at the top of your head, so you do not have to clip in any area at the front. I usually only clip in the back. That is why I left these three here, because it makes it a little more secure. I mean, this is really good enough if you're not gonna throw your hair around. It will still be secure, but just not enough for me, since I like to be able to move around without really like worrying about the hair lifting up or so. So I do keep the bottom three. So there's a way where you do not have to sew in the Velcro onto your topper, because I was worried at first if I wanted to wash it, it's gonna actually not work. But I have washed this yesterday, and the Velcro still feels the same. So the first wash didn't actually make it softer or ruin the sticker of the Velcro. So I think it actually works well if you want to sew it in. But if you do not want to alter any of your toppers, there is a way you can make the topper still stick to your the Velcro still stick to your topper without actually altering anything. So this is my Highline 10 to 10. I usually use bigger caps. I do have the comb left, and I do have all the clips except for this one. It got loose, but I will remove this one here too, because I don't like it. Well, I don't use them, so anyway. So you can get Velcro in different sizes. Here's a difference. As you can tell, I do have two sizes. I do use a longer one here because it's actually bigger. You can either just like stick it under the comb like this, or you can actually just pierce it through. It's hard to not have three hands like this. So you just pull it up and you keep a few of these to secure it in place. And if you do have these left, you could take another one and just open up the clip and stick it under and close it. So then it gets stuck like this. And you can do the same. I usually use three on my bigger caps. On a wig, I only use behind the comb, but so basically I do this. As you can tell, there is a lot of Velcro attached to the topper right now, and you just attach it to your head. I'm gonna show you how to do it in another video. Well, it will come right up here. But basically, three Velcros for, I think, any type of topper really. If you keep the clips here, these are more attached, while this one is just behind the comb. But as you put it on your head and you kind of like just stick it down, it is going to well, stick there. It's not gonna move. So that is basically what I do, and I will show you now how secure it is when you wear it on your head. So it does lay flat. I'm gonna show you. Yeah, my little cute bob here looks like a lion. So what I do, I always pull out some baby hair. I did have to straighten my hair. It's a little curly, but okay. So how I put on the, as you can see, the hair always likes to get stuck in it, so make sure there are not any hair stuck here. And as you can see, the Velcro fell off. Now it's here. It does not do that. I think when I was doing it with hand, trying to show it on video, it actually didn't secure good enough. But as you can tell, I put it behind here. So basically I just stick it here. And then you kind of have to like pull down on the head so it gets stuck. Oh, it's hard. So as you can tell, it is kind of loose, but you kind of just have to stick it. And for me, this works if I'm not going out or in a windy weather. I mean, it is still on my head. But I do like to secure the back clips because I don't have any problem at the back of my head to secure or use clips. It doesn't bug me or anything. So now it feels more secure. And I do feel Velcro makes the blending look easier. I don't have any, I have to pull out here. Because you can actually pull it back so people can see your hairline if you have one. Oh, I don't know what's wrong with this one. Now, the texture of my topper and my hair is really not the same right now, but you can tell. So I have it pretty close to my hairline. It doesn't budge. And you can do the same thing with a wig. This is a wig, and I only put one here, like I did before. And if you want, I don't really use these, but instead of using a grip, I kind of just put the Velcro here and I stick it to my head, and then I just use the straps. So it's pretty secure. I mean, I've been in a storm with it outside. And that's basically how I use a Velcro. And I can, when I'm done, I can just take it out without actually having to sew it in or anything. Because I do believe you have to replace them a little now and then, because they do get a little soft, but still I've been using Velcro for a couple of months now, and they are still good. But as I said, I remove them when I wash the topper because I don't really know how well they're gonna work when the topper gets wet, when they get wet. So you might want to check that out. And it actually makes my, because I usually pull up the hair to one side, that's kind of my signature. And you can basically see a lot of my own hair here. So it means the Velcro is attached really close to my hairline, which makes it look really natural. Before I used to have it a little forward, and this looks they look a little unnatural, but right now, since the Velcro is really attached to my hair, I don't have to worry about it sliding down. Yeah. So this is about it. If you have any questions about the Velcro, do send me a DM. Basically, this is all I do, so it's not really I don't really have a lot of things to tell you about it. Just that I do prefer them instead of the comb or the clips. I do use them on toppers, on my wigs, doesn't really matter. And I do feel like I don't feel any pain in my scalp anymore. I don't feel the clips. I only have those 3 at the back and they don't really bother me. So it's a really good way to secure the topper without having to clip it in. I mean, if I didn't find the Velcro, I probably wouldn't wear toppers anymore because they were really uncomfortable at the end. But now I feel like I find a really good solution to keep wearing toppers without feeling like it's scratching on my head. So if you have any questions, I'm gonna do other type of the videos, but if you have any questions about what you want to see more on my YouTube channel, then do send me a DM and I will try to fulfill your wish. So I'm gonna end this video right now and I'll talk to you guys later.